Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and SEOmator. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, SEOmator is an in-depth SEO website analysis and SEO audit automation tool aimed at website optimization professionals and agencies. It was designed by SEO and SEM professionals. SEOmator free website. The SEO audit tool is a part of the SEOmator complex SEO software that tracks pages to see exactly how well your website stacks up against your competitors. You can supercharge your SEO strategy with SEOmator's rank tracking tools. Unlock the secret to higher search engine rankings with our powerful backlink checker tool. Also, you can easily discover new keyword opportunities, analyze the competition, and track your search engine rankings over time. SEOmator offers a 30-day free trial, and paid plans start at $49 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and SEOmator for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.